Hello everyone, in this exercise we will be using previous exercises file, form revolution and iteration level 2 to explore the following commands: dot, text, notes, and properties to create annotations for this file. So let's get started with dot. So I'm gonna open all of the viewports, and I'm going to initiate the dot command by typing dot. And you can see something already typed here. So in here we can change the font, we can change the height, we can have display text as well as secondary text. So I can say something like make changes before printing, and it can be change 1 is maybe neck is awkward, like I had noted before. Maybe 2 is tweak how foot terminates, and 3 is maybe 1/2 scale. So I can hit OK. And then the interesting thing about dot, there's a couple interesting things about it, but one of the things is that it's essentially a point object that has text associated to it at the scale that you set. So we can snap this point to something in particular, an aspect of the object even, or we could just pop it in front of it. So the other interesting thing about the dot command is that it's always at the same scale, no matter how much you zoom in and out, which is nice because it's always readable, but can be kind of annoying because if you're zoomed out looking at things, this really dominates your viewports. Okay, so that's dot. Let's look at the text command. So I'll type in text, and here we can change our style. We can change the height of the text. I think I'm going to make it 0.5 maybe. Yeah, I think so. And then the model space scale is a multiplier for the height. So I just want that to be at a multiplier of 1. I could choose a different font rather. No, that's okay. And then something I like doing generally is making this center aligned. And here we can type nice vessel. Neck is still, I'm going to do a new line, a bit funny. Keep trying. Okay, and now we have this text. With either of these, and you can see that the dot always arranges its presentation so you can see it, but the text is an actual object that you can view in different ways, different perspectives. So I can't see it in these viewports because it's a flat line basically. Okay, for either of these you can double click on them and open them to edit them. Okay, for this one, let's take notes in the notes bar. So what you see here that's been open for all of these exercises is the notes command. I'm not going to do it because it's already open. And here we could use notes to say vessel notes, and this one is layer 3. Let's print this and see how it looks in dimensional space. Maybe tweak angle of shoulder first, as right now it has a stark overhang. It won't print so well. Cool. So that's taking notes in the Notes command, the Notes tab, the Notes bar, whatever you want to call it. For this one, we are going to edit the properties of the object. So on this side of the little right-hand toolbar, we have a number of different tabs. And if you don't have the Properties tab, you can click on this little gear and always enable the Properties tab. Properties tab is this little rainbow circle. And here we can change a number of things from what layer it's on, the display color, a whole bunch of different things, even a hyperlink, which is kind of cool. So I could like link this, for example, to Ultimaker Digital Factory and be able to quickly access that and print it from Rhino, which is kind of cool. So what we're going to do here is just give it a name. And this one is, it's reliant upon it being selected, of course. This one is, I think we'll say Alvin Ailey Award 2023. And I think I'll make a note here as well. Layer 4 needs to be printed by March 1st. Needs to be made in Rocket by March 15th. Something like that. Cool. And that's 4 different ways of creating notations within your files to keep you organized, keep thoughts that you have in the moment, give them longevity so you remember them. I wasn't sure how I wanted to word that. And yeah, that's it. The next exercise is a bit of a unique one, and I'll see you in the next video for it.